की वीडियो में बात करेंगे दिल्ली पुलिस कांस्टेबल प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर के बारे में। इन क्वेश्चनों से आप ये पता लगा सकते हो कि इसका लेवल क्या आता है, कैसा आता है जीके का। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, ऑन 21 अगस्त 2020 फॉर्मर फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी राजीव कुमार वाज अपॉइंटमेंट एज, तो इलेक्शन कमीशन। पंडित जसराज वाज रिलेटेड टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फील्ड, तो क्लासिक सिंगिंग। टू treat the eye disease known as myopia or nearsightedness, which of the following lenses is used, तो concave lens। The 101st amendment of the Indian Constitution is concerned with goods and service tax यानी GST। The headquarters of National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD is situated at Mumbai। The horizontal rows in Mendeleev periodic table are called as periods. Who are the authors of the book The Book of Gusty Women? तो हिलरी क्लाइंटन एंड चेल्सा क्लाइंटन। How many members are nominated by the President of India to the Rajya Sabha Council of States? तो 12। The Constituent Assembly, which had been elected for the framing of the Constitution, held in first meeting on 9 December 1946. Who among the following act as the chairman of the GST Goods and Service Tax Council, the Union Finance Minister? Which international organization is the current governing body of badminton? Badminton World Federation। बीवी का मकबरा इज फेमस हिस्टोरिकल मोनूमेंट्स सिचुएटेड इन, तो औरंगाबाद महाराष्ट्र। आर्थिक सर्वेक्षण 2019-20 की मुख्य विषय वस्तु निम्नलिखित में से क्या है? संपत्ति निर्माण। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज टू मेजर द ब्लड प्रेशर इन ह्यूमंस, तो स्फाइगोमीटर। During the 1920, the self-respect movement took place in which state of India? Tamil Nadu। Who is the chairman of the 15th Finance Commissioner of India? Nand Kishore Singh। Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? To the part 4th। What is the chemical name of vitamin B12? Cobalamin। Which of the following regions of India is famous for its folk dance called Sondol dance? तो लद्दाख। Who among the following has been elected as the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka in August 2020? तो महिंद्रा राजापक्षा। Who among the following moved the history objective resolution in the Constitution Assembly of India? Jawaharlal Nehru। Who among the following had been appointed as the CEO of Google parent company Alphabet in December 2019? Sundar Pichai। The famous Ramosi uprising against the British rule took place in India during the latter half of the 19th century. From the following options, identify the region where it is occurred. तो Western Maharashtra। Who among the following shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Muhammad bin Tughlaq। The famous hill station पांचमरही इन मध्य प्रदेश इज सिचुएटेड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग माउंटेन रेंजेस? तो सतपुरा माउंटेन रेंज। उसके बाद है 26, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप ऑफ सॉइल्स इन इंडिया इज लोकली नॉन एज रेगुल सॉइल? तो ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल। 27, व्हेन डिड महात्मा गांधी लॉन्च द क्वाइट इंडिया मूवमेंट? तो 8 अगस्त 1942। वेयर इन इंडिया इज द फेमस धमिक स्तूपा लोकेटेड? सारनाथ उत्तर प्रदेश। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट ओशियन इन द वर्ल्ड? अटलांटिक ओशियन। In December 2019, the famous Spanish top division football league La Liga, for the first time in its history, named a non-footballer as its brand ambassador. Identify a sport person from the given option. The Rohit Sharma. In which city did the Khelo India Youth Games 2020 take place? Guwahati, Assam. The river Son is a tributary of which of the following rivers? So, river Ganga. Who among the following was appointed as the Controller General of Accounts of India in 2019? Soumya Roy Burman. Gross domestic product measured at market price of or current prices is called as nominal GDP. When was the Physical Responsibility and Budget Management Act approved by 2003? In which state of India is the Bihu festival celebrated? Assam. Which acid is produced in the human stomata to help the digestion of food? तो क्या होगा? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. The Commissioner for Agriculture Cost and Prices, earlier named as Agriculture Price Commission, was established in January 1965. The term Yellow Revolution is related to which of the following sectors in India? Oilseed production. Wood's dispatch sent by the British government in India in 1854 was related to which sector? Indian education. Which of the following period is considered as a period of steady population growth in India? 1921 से 1951. The famous Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state of India? Nagaland. The Polly Umrigar Award is conferred in which sport category? तो cricket. Who is the recipient of 28 सरस्वती सम्मान for 2018? के शिवा रेड्डी. Recently, in March 2020, two public sector banks named the Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India were merged into another public sector bank. What is the name of that bank? Punjab National Bank. Which of the following is the name of the bone in human leg? Patella. Patella. In which article of the Indian Constitution is the procedure for the impeachment of the president given? Article 61. To which part of the ancient and medieval India is the Sangam literature related? South India. In which of the following state did the famous Moplu revolt take place during the freedom struggle? Kerala. Last, which of the following was a famous port town during the Indus Valley Civilization era? Lothal.